This is the SONOFF S61s Matter Type B, a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi smart plug designed for US outlets. Inside the box, you'll find a quick guide and the smart plug. Open the eWeLink app on your phone. Tap Scan and scan the QR code on the device to add it. Plug in the device. It will automatically enter pairing mode for the first setup. You can also press and hold the side button for 5 seconds to enter pairing mode manually. The indicator will flash 2 short and 1 long. Follow the instructions in the app to complete the setup. Once added, you can control the smart plug directly from your phone anytime.